Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me. Today I have a flip through video from, not a flip through, I mean a unboxing of some goodies I got from Beebeecraft. Okay, so let's have a look what we got. I have opened the package and got rid of that, all of that, so I've got just the goodies here to show you now. So I've got some fabric flowers and we've got a bit of an assortment here. That one's a double layer, that one's a double layer. So these all come in a packet together. There's quite a few in here. And quite a nice assortment. There's some butterflies, double layer, they're nice. And we've got these big ones, nice big long ones like that. I can certainly see some uses for these in my journals. So we get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 flowers, 2 of these long ones and 2 butterflies in the pack together, so that's pretty good. I will put links to all of these in the description box, and Beebeecraft do offer a code, so I'll put the code in the description box as well, and that will give you 10% off of anything that you order, whether it's in my video or not. Now I also ordered some of these assorted laces. Sorry for the noise. So that one is a nice little thin one. Don't know how much you get of each one. Looks like you'd get, say, it looks like about a yard of each one. So that's that one. This one's a little bit wider. It's a pretty one, isn't it? Nice. That's about 3/4 of an inch, I'd say, wide, that one. This one, a little bit heavier. That's probably the right side. Nice. I think there's probably a yard of each one of these. So what have we got so far? 1, 2, 3. This is number 4. This is a pretty one, a little scallop. Very nice. That's 4. 5. 6. Nice little picket one. It's lovely. 7. So you get 7 yards, I would say, of this ecru colour lace, and it's like cotton lace. It's not synthetic. So that is a nice little, so they're the 2 laces that I got. Now I've got this die. I thought this die was fantastic. All of this is in one pack. So this is one pack of cutting dies. Let's see if we can get that out of there. And lots of packing to undo. So of course all of these will need to be separated, but it's the like torn circles, so each one of those comes off and you have your separate circles. The ovals, they've all got the torn effect. Rectangles, and squares. Now they all come in the one pack. I thought that was a great deal. There's that. And now I've got some stencils. I mean, you know what we're like. We've got heaps of stencils already, but these caught my eye. And I think you can see them quite clearly with the brown background. So look at these florals. So I was thinking I could use these on, well, I could use them on anything really, but I was thinking mainly of tags. But there's all sorts there. It's a nice daisy one. This looks a bit poppy. That's a poppy. That's just some grasses, I think, or look, could be a tulip. I think there's 10 in this packet of stencils. That even look good on, you know, you could just put some ink through the stencil on just your pages in your journal. You could use a bit of texture paste on your cover or anywhere really in your journal. Is that one? I thought these were a really good selection for a pack of 10. That one I probably don't see a great lot of use for. It's a bit too bulky for my tastes, but you know, there's lots of different ideas. Got the bulrushes and the bird. And that one there. So that is a set of 10 stencils, which I thought was a really good set. And I also got this set. Now this is a larger set, and these are a set of 10 as well. And these are all leaves. And maybe I'll do it that way. Now it may be a bit bigger than I could use in my journals, but you know, they'd be great for other things. That's a nice one, isn't it? I like that leaf. Looks a bit like those eucalyptus we have here in Australia. Can't remember, but they got like a pale grey leaf. Yeah, some of these would be good. Yeah, those little ones, yeah. I like that. I particularly like this one. That one. That's a nice one too. Could use that and that. Yeah, I can get good use out of these. There's some big ones. Look at that one. If you were doing a botanical journal, you could put, you know, that could be a nice decoration on a page, just through a stencil, ink or whatever. That's an unusual leaf, isn't it? Like a palm frond. And that one. So that's those. I thought they were good. And okay, put them over there. A bit of a pile happening over there now. Now this one is just a stamp. I don't know whether that's still too shiny for you to see. Try and take it off. So this is some flowers, nice dainty sort of flowers. Okay, try and, can you see that? Oh, it's probably better to see it on some white. There we go. Just got some scrap paper here. that's that one. I hope that's not reflecting too much. Sort of like dandelion flowers. It's got Make-A-Wish, so you could use it on a birthday card. It's got dragonflies. A few little grassy bits down here. Leaves. So that's that one. So that's stamp only. Now I've got some kits here that are stamps, stencils and dies all in one. So there's the die, and this is the stencil. So you use this, you can use this to colour your stamp, I believe. I haven't used them yet, so I'm just going by what I figured they'd be. Or yeah, so see that part of the stencil there would fit perfectly on the stamp, so that will go on there like that, and then you can use that to colour. And it's got, and then it's got this one here that would go over that and give you some detail, I'm assuming. So yeah, maybe it goes that way. Yep, it goes that way. So yeah, so we got the stamp, we got the stencils, and then we got the die to cut it out. So yeah, very, you know, these all come in a set, all very easy and handy. And they're not expensive at all. So there's that one, and I got a butterfly one as well. It's the same sort of deal. So we got the stamp, the die and the stencils. So the stencils for the butterfly give the, I don't know, can you see that all right? I hope it's not reflecting too much. Nice selection of butterflies actually. I like this one here. It looks a bit mothy, doesn't it? Well, I hate moths in real life. Okay, so these are numbered. So that's butterfly number 1, butterfly number 3, and so on. So they're the stencils, so you could colour the whole thing. So you could stamp, then you could colour, and then you can use this for detail, a second colour, say. So yes, and then you can cut them out using the dies. So great little collection. What's this one? This is the last one. So it's the same deal. We got the stencils and the die, and I think this stencil is a layering stencil. So yeah, so you can do different colours on different layers. So you know, closer in, further out, all that sort of thing. So yeah, I hope you can see that all right. So that's just some flowers and some leaves. Alright, so I'm going to have fun using all these bits and pieces. As I said, these are from Beebeecraft. They're a great company to work with, and they are very quick with their delivery. I think I waited, I'm in Australia, and I waited maybe 10 days for this to come, which is quite quick for some of the places that you order from. So yeah, as I said, I'll put links in the description box below of everything, and yeah, and there'll be a discount code. So if you want to pop over and check it out, do so. And yeah, thank you for joining me, and I'll be coming back to you with some videos showing you how I've used my lovely little new goodies that I've received. Okay, thanks for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye.